Today we're taking a quick look at the Trace panel in Silhouette Studio. This panel turns images into cut lines, perfect for print and cut, layered decals, and custom designs. You'll find the Trace panel on the right side of your screen. It's the icon with the butterfly. The first tab is the standard Trace tool. Start with Select Trace Area and draw a box around the part of the image that you want to trace. Everything that turns yellow is what Studio will convert into cut lines. Threshold controls how much of the image is detected. Slide it up to include more detail or down to simplify the shape. High Pass finds the edges of the image and works from the outside inward. Low Pass works in the opposite direction. It starts in the center of the image and works outward. For most projects, turn High Pass off and use Threshold for a cleaner, more predictable trace. Scale controls how smooth or pixelated your trace will be. Higher scale captures more pixel detail, which can make the trace look jagged. Lower scale smooths the edges, and that's great for low resolution images. When your preview looks good, choose one of the trace options. Trace for full inside and outside cut lines, trace outer edge for a simple outline, or trace and detach to remove the background. The second tab is Trace by Color. This lets you trace one color at a time, and it's perfect for multicolor PNGs or creating layered designs. Use the eyedropper to pick a color in your image. Choose Single Area to trace one section, or all areas to trace every spot with that color. Adjust tolerance to include more or fewer shades of the selected color, then choose Trace or Trace and Detach depending on your project. The third tab is Magnet Trace. This tool helps you trace manually while Studio snaps to the edges it detects. Click on Start Magnet Trace, then click anywhere along the border of your shape. The green line will follow the edges inside the magnet circle. Click and drag to force a straight line when needed, and right-click to rewind if it jumps somewhere that you didn't want it to. Choose Trace or Trace and Detach when you're finished. The Trace panel gives you 3 different ways to turn images into clean, usable cut lines: standard tracing, color-based tracing, and guided manual tracing. Try experimenting with Threshold, Scale, and Trace Outer Edge on your next project to see how each one affects your results, and let me know which panel you want me to cover next.